Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the live stream today. I hope you guys all are having a fantastic morning this far. We just had the bell open here in the stock market, and right now we're seeing some pretty good movement. Overall, it's back to the upside with Disney helping us out. DIS. Seriously, they had a huge move last night, and they made a lot of announcements like jobs cuts, the way that they're reworking a lot of their business to be more profitable. There's a lot of shit, I would say, going on here. So good stuff with Disney. I hope that this keeps moving, although it's falling down now. I will say, I talked last night on the YouTube video with Mike about the 414.50 resistance. Now, this resistance is going to end up being pretty darn big today. So you can tell we're already bouncing off of it, and we're moving back to the downside. So we're already hitting it, which is pretty crazy. Now we're going to be hitting it once again. So pretty insane there to see that. Pretty insane. Yeah, it is a big rejection, though. Pretty big rejection. 414.50. Then now we have big support at 412.50 or 412.60, somewhere right around there. Looking pretty good. Yeah, so far today, a lot of stocks moving. Looking at my watch list here, Unity is one of the bigger ones here going up. It is having a huge explosion this morning. I don't know. Let's see. They're not reporting earnings today, right? It should be in a couple days. My Thinkorswim's telling me they report sometime on the 22nd. So yeah, they report in a little while, not even close. Unity's doing pretty good, though. That is actually a nice explosion from them. MGM is also rocketing. Their earnings went really well yesterday. There we go. MGM, Wynn. Those two casinos are going. LVS, moving. CZR is up too. There we go. Got all the big casinos moving there. Here we go. Love those casino stocks. $ win, $. Yeah, those things are on fire right now. Keep your eyes on the casinos. Who wants to go to the casino? I know somebody out there does. Somebody does. Mike just typed Google in the chat. Oh, shit. Oh, shit, Google. Google bounced off 100 and said, oh, hell no. It went running off to the downside. Oh, my gosh. Guys, what could be happening here? Poor Google. Google. I feel bad for him. Feeling bad for him. Tesla, Xbox says, let's go Tesla. Hell yeah, let's go there. Let's see Carvana. Carvana, there we go. Getting a nice green candle coming back in. Carvana's a fun stock, isn't it? It's just a fun stock. I feel like they've had a lot of crazy news lately. It says yesterday, Carvana stocks rise as used car prices continue to go higher. So the used car index started pointing back up again. Interesting, interesting, interesting. Good, this means my Hellcat won't go down in value. That's good. Stay up higher on the index, please. Help out my car. Yeah, here's the used vehicle index, though. So you can see how, like, in November and December, we were down, and then we started moving up. Now we're going up a little bit. Rose 16%. The sales rose 16%. Interesting. So there was more demand. Very nice. The sweet spot for vehicles, they're saying, is something like 3 years old. Because they've depreciated 40% and you still have some warranty coverage. Like, what? 3-year-old vehicles? I feel like that's terrible to buy. I feel like those are probably like way overpriced. Yeah, MGM and win, guys. Wow. Talk about used. Let's just look at some used cars. We'll just look at them around St. Louis, just for an example here. Let's look for used car. Wow, guys, look, I found one. I found a nice used car in St. Louis for us, just for us, guys. Right here. Here it is. 2004 Ferrari 360 Modena. Modena. I don't know how the fuck to say it. Damn though. Seems like a badass car. Could be a beautiful addition to your garage. I like this. Come stop and stop by to take a look at this wonderful preserved Ferrari for yourself. They're like really talking it up there. Ooh, I don't know, guys. Might have to buy this. Used car prices are going up. You know, it might be a good time to buy and then flip it. No, I'm just joking. I'm just kidding. I've noticed I look at a lot of used cars, and most of the shit I've looked at hasn't really went up or down lately. Like most of the Mustangs are around the same price. Most of the everything else are all around the same. Can't wait for those new Mustangs to come out. Can't wait to smoke them in the Hellcat. No, I'm just joking. I like those new Mustangs. I was gonna maybe wait and get one of those when they came out, but I don't know. They didn't have as much horsepower as I wanted. I was hoping they'd have like 530 horse, but they only had like 480 or like 470, and then they only had like 500 on that dark horse model. I would have paid 80K for 500 horsepower. It would have been stupid. Would have been dumb. Bill said he sold his Apple calls and opened it, saved them. Let's go check it out. Apple, AAPL. Where'd you get out at, Bill? Oh, wow. Nice. Okay. Yeah. That big gap up helped you, didn't it? Wow. Bill, did you end up winning on him or did you lose? Because I know, like, it ended up still going down from yesterday a little bit, but, you know, we did have a nice move at open. I just don't know. Let me know how you ended up on him, Bill. Hopefully it got you back in the green. Louis says Google's under 98. Yeah, it is. Oh, shit. Under 98. Oh, good. Bill bought the dip yesterday. Good, Bill. Good. Yeah, it is. It's under 98, moving down big. This is my big level today, guys. For some momentum plays, this could be a good one here. I've been watching this for a little while. We talked about this in last night's video as well. I love this stock under 100. I think it's looking great. Looks great. Xbox says I'm still looking to get a Lexus RX 350. Let's go check it out. I love those Lexuses. Let's see. Use Lexus RX 350. Let's see. Oh, wow. Okay, nice. I forgot it was the SUV. These things look nice, though. I'll be honest, it's not that expensive either. Huh. I would have thought it would have costed more, given it was a Lexus. Wow. That one has low miles, kind of expensive. Why is this one so cheap? This one's cheap compared to the other ones. Oh, is the grill not cool? Oh, it's the non-cool grill. Alright, or is it? No, it's the cool grill. It's the cool grill. I don't know. This one's cheap as fuck, though. Compared to the rest. We're sorry, our site experienced an error. Oh, good job, Auto Trader. I didn't want it anyways. How about that? Oh, there it is. That was weird. Wow, so it's right in the middle of the range. 50,000 miles. Come pick it up, Xbox. Come pick it up. We'll go to the casino and then we'll grab that. No, I'm just kidding. We'll more like we'll play a round of golf, then we'll go get it. Then we'll go get it. That's pretty cool, though. Drop under 98, going big right now. Down to 97 on Google, guys. 97. There we go. Xbox says, doesn't mean I have the funds. Yeah, for sure, for sure. I just meant I know some of these Lexuses, man, they're like 50K a lot of times. Like this one. Like, see how it's the 2020, I guess, so it's a little bit more, but man, it threw me off whenever I saw this one going for 20 something thousand, 26,000. I was like, wow, that's pretty good price. Like here, for example, I like to look at these Lexus. I like looking at like Lexus. I'm trying to figure out the name, man. I can't remember. F type. Lexus F type. F type. That's it. Like these things are pretty damn expensive too. Actually, that's not even as much as I thought it was. What? I know that these new like RC 500s and shit are real expensive, but man, these actually aren't as much as I thought. Lexus RC 500. Here's where we're gonna see it be expensive, or LC 500. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Now I'm getting more into what I'm used to seeing with Lexus here. There we go. Yeah. We'll go with like a 2015. Did they even make them back then? Here we go. RCF. That's the cool one from back then. My buddy actually owns one of these. It's pretty cool. I thought it was going to be kind of shitty, and I was looking at it, and I was like, wow, that's kind of cool. Like, look at the exhaust. The exhaust always gets people because it's like the exhausts are like above each other. It's kind of strange. Kind of cool, though. Kind of cool. Man, Google kept going. 96.63. I hope you guys got into that day trade, baby. Yeah, Louis, good job. There we go. Ooh, Xbox doesn't gamble anymore. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Now he gambles on stocks. No, I'm kidding. Keisha says, I have the LS500H, but I'm anxiously waiting the RZ models to come out. All electric. Keisha, the all electric one's nice. What's that called? LS500H? Let's see. Yeah, those Google puts would be awesome here. 98, big move to the downside. That should be doing pretty darn good. Honestly, it should almost be to the point of taking first profits here already. Wow. That move at open was crazy too. Bouncing off 100, you could have even played it right there if you wanted. Amazon Scout for sure. Let's see, Amazon. Yeah, this one's not as defined as a setup for me, but I still like it. I still like the play, Thiva. I like the play. Let's see what Keisha's Lexus looks like. LS 500H Lexus. Keisha, what color is it? What the? LS 500H? Yeah, she says LS 500H. I don't see anything LS. Well, here it is. I don't know why it wouldn't show me it on Google, but okay. Wow, that actually looks cool. Whoa. Keisha, that's a pretty cool looking SUV, not gonna lie. Oh, there we go. Yeah, and I like this. The look of it is awesome. I'm not a big fan of like the hybrid stuff. I just, I drive a fucking, what is it, 500 horse, no, 750 horsepower car. So, uh, let's see the specs. I want to see the horsepower. That'd be cool. I bet it. Wow. So it has 354 horsepower. Not bad. That's actually not bad for a car like that. I'll say that. Not bad. 4 cam, 4 valves per cylinder. Huh. Very interesting. Very interesting. I like it, though. I like the Lexuses, guys. They look cool. They look cool. Get back to the market, though. Bill W says LS 500H in a Braveheart color. Louis said took first. Oh, he said took his first profits at 70%. It got there so quick. It just stubbed my toe, guys. Stubbed my toe, damn desk. Oh, wow, that's awesome. Disney CEO just keeps saying more and more awesome stuff. He said there were very few subscribers lost after the price hike, which is interesting. So they didn't even lose that many people, which was cool. Let's see what this guy says about the streaming here. Bob Iger, for anybody wondering. The CEO of Disney, they just ousted another guy, put this guy back. Let's hear it.
There were no surprises. No. To change things fairly.
Yes, because I felt it was essential to do that. Yeah, right
Why?
away.
Why?
Well, the structure of the company that had been changed, by my successor, my predecessor, by Bob, and he had a reason why he wanted to do that, and he articulated that. But it created a huge divide between the creative side of the company, the content engines, movies and television, and the monetization and distribution side of the company. And while I think he had certain maybe valid reasons why he wanted to do that at that time, it was very, very apparent to me, both while I was out and when I came back, that that was a mistake. That there had to be a direct linkage, that the people making the content had to be fully accountable for how it performed in the marketplace and have some say in how it was brought to market. Timing to market, pricing, marketing, very, very important. How much to make, how much to spend. And that distance that was created by that structure, I don't think was healthy for this company at this time. And so my first step was to say that I was going to change that. And it took me a couple of months to actually design with the senior team, what we would change it to, and that's what we announced yesterday.
Right. That announcement, that reorganization, and what is it? We have 4 people, right?
Yes.
Who are
4
running
people,
things
3 key divisions.
3 key divisions. Is any one a priority for you over the other?
Well, I said yesterday on our call, streaming is a priority. As you look at the businesses that we've been in, both movies and television, put parks aside for a minute, it's very, very clear that the disruptive forces created by technology have had a real impact on those businesses, particularly the legacy part of those businesses. And streaming is the future. It's not the only future, but it looms large in terms of the future, and eventually will grow to the point where it is not only profitable, but turns into a growth business for the company. So we must make that transition. Look, we've already transitioned to it. Now we have to transition it into a growth business.
Yeah, you and I obviously sat down together in April of 2019 when you announced the streaming business, Disney Plus, and I wonder, we had this conversation then, Bob, which is, can you ever fully replace the profitability of the linear cable business with direct-to-consumer? 3 years in, almost 4, it would seem perhaps the answer is no.
Well, I don't agree with that. Obviously, that has not happened to date. But if you think about it, since we sat down in 2019, we've seen consumption of television and movies actually increase globally. So if consumption is increasing, we're in the business basically of serving those consumers that want to obviously watch what we make. And streaming is, for them, I think, a very pro-consumer method or means of doing that. So you've got a consumer base that's growing and avid in terms of its interest in what we make. You have a technology that is serving them well and actually serving us well, too. It's very great. It's a great technology to distribute content on, as we proved.
Yes.
Going back for a minute, it's just interesting. When we sat down in April of 2019 to talk about the launch of Disney Plus, our goal was not publicized, but our goal at the time was to sign up 4 million subs in a year. we signed up 10 million subs in 24 hours in one day.
I remember.
That's an incredibly successful launch, but it speaks volumes about what we're just talking about. People, one, they want our content. Two, they want it that way. So if you have that much demand and we have the ability to essentially serve the consumer well using that technology, then profitability, in my opinion, is inevitable. You have to manage it well. You have to spend appropriately. You have to price appropriately. You have to time it to market appropriately. But it will work. It is working. Look, there's tremendous consumption.
You have 104
on those
million
platforms.
subscribers.
Wow, that sounds pretty damn convincing, guys. I'm not gonna lie. I think it sounds pretty good, everything Bobby was saying there. So, sounds awesome. I'm glad he took back over Disney. He definitely seems like a better CEO, in my opinion. So I think that's a good thing. You know, it must be hard to be a CEO of a company like that. It must be kind of hard, especially during COVID and trying to change shit around all the time and blah 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 blah. I'm sure that there's a whole bunch of shit. Hey, did you guys see this today? I know it's not anything overly crazy yet, but hey, if you guys also find anything, let me know. But Lucid joined the EV discounting thing. They're doing $7,500 tax credits now, similar to Tesla and Ford. So I don't know, pretty cool. Pretty cool. Look at this. Biden's State of the Union may not have helped potential 2024 election bid against Trump. Yeah, I doubt it did. I mean, I didn't even get to see the speech, to be honest. I was working out during that. Not that I didn't want to. The gym kind of didn't want to put it on the TV. If that makes sense. I don't have any headphones, so that'd be kind of funny. I'll just stream it walking around the gym. I'll go up to someone and be like, "Hey, can I join in on you with these sets?" They'll be like, "Sure," and I'll just be blaring Biden talking in Missouri. They'd fucking throw me out. Oh. Warren says he seems pretty confident. Yeah, he really does. I'll tell you, that Disney, the Bob Iger there, seems very confident on Disney. That actually looks really good in my opinion. And, you know, I think that Disney's daily chart is reflecting the CEO change well. But then again, you know, a lot of stocks have been moving up the past couple months. I'm really kind of hoping that Disney takes another tumble and they come back down to retest 100 at some point. That would be pretty awesome. You know, if we could get in one more time, you know, get one more good entry low. Would be nice. Yeah, Xbox says, let's go Palantir. Hell yeah, let's go Palantir. Get your ass going. It looks like we're actually doing pretty well. Starting to double bottom around like 636. Yeah, not bad. Not bad at all. Good old Palantir. One of my favorites. Golly gee. Palantir. I don't know what it is with that. I always just want to say it in like a country accent. I don't know why. Palantir. It's a weird one. Probably just my mind being all weird. General Motors. Wow, what a move. Up above 42, not bad. Yeah, they've been waiting to break like 42.05 for a while now. 42.10. Good move, GM. There we go. General Motors. General Motors looking fucking good. Sean says 50% on some SPY, 40% on SOXL. It's been a good morning. Very good, Sean. Very good. What'd you do on SPY? Did you trade that rejection at 414.50, Sean? I know you were talking about it in Discord. We were talking about that on last night's video a lot as well. That'd be awesome if you traded that down there. I think I saw you say you did that. Uh-oh, Sniper Bot called out Amazon calls. 102 calls for February 10th. Oh, Amazon's like right in the middle of the range. I think there's a good chance we move up still. There is a little bit like lower high going on here. I don't know. I don't know, guys. Kind of mixed on this play. Myself. I like it up better than down, though, given the support around 100 and everything like that. Think we can hold, maybe, hopefully. Go see Google. They did not hold 100. They actually took a bad tumble back off to the downside, these poor folks. Damn. That's a bad move for them. Google, they just had to do that, didn't they? They just had to have bad earnings the other day. Yeah, ever since those earnings, their stock has been weak. Just weak sauce, guys. Weak sauce. It's been weak. That shit's fucking funny. I love those buttons. Do you guys like the buttons at all? I think they're pretty funny. I really like the one where it's Greta going, "How dare you?" By far my favorite. By far. That Greta lady, I got nothing against her. I just think that shit is funny. I like the videos where she's like, "How dare you?" I I don't know. I don't know what to think of Greta. You know, I don't know. I feel like overall she's probably doing good, but I don't know. The way some of the snarkiness and some of the attitude can can maybe be readjusted a little bit, I guess we'll say. To be nice. To put it nicely, I think that the attitude could use a readjusting. Okay, let's say that. uh Sean says, I've been watching the dollar and SPY correlation. Hey, I saw that, Sean. What did you say in the Discord yesterday about that? Let me know. I'll actually look at it. I remember you said something about it. Um, Maybe enlighten us a little bit, Sean. I think some people would be very interested to hear that. Not just me. I think others would also be interested in this, Sean. He says saw dollar come off 103.50 yesterday. So okay, so we gotta plot the correlation. Fuck, how do I do that? How do I do that, Sean? Is it an indicator? Oh, cool. Is this it? Man, I hope so. Oh, it is. Okay. Cool. All right, let's edit that. Come here, you. Ticker 2. Okay. It was us. DXY and the SPY, he said. DXY and the SPY. This looks about the same though, Sean. Tell me if this is the same. Um Maybe I need to go look at SPY. Yeah, that's what it is. SPY, and then at the bottom I need to plot the dollar. So Sean, does this look right? I mean, it looks the same. Like, it looks like the same type of line that you had. I don't like it being blue, though, honestly. It's fucking... I'm gonna make that a nice purple for us here. Yeah. I want it brighter, to be honest with you. There we go. Yeah, there we go. Maybe a yellow. What color do we want? Cyan, that's my favorite. Boom. Plotting it. All right, cool. I see Sean's private message here, the correlation. Oh, he's looking on a daily chart. That's where I'm going a little wrong. Okay, so he is looking at DXY. I just want to make sure that this is like the same. It's looking semi the same here. So on DXY, when you compare it to the SPY, it's looking real high here. All right, so the SPY on the correlation at the bottom should be up quite a bit. Nope. Yep, it's wrong, guys. It was all for nothing. That correlation script was wrong. I like that analogy, though, Sean, or I like that stuff you're looking at with the correlation. I think it's cool. I think it's awesome. Maybe post it up in the Discord. And, guys, if anyone wants to see it, check out, for example, like the Profits channel of the Discord, or check out Member Plays, or check out Discussion. Maybe see it if Sean posted again, but I know he posted it yesterday, too. That's funny, Sean. Sean said he sees my wedges all over the websites. That's funny. Let's do the used car search again. Probably find some wedges right here, Sean. How come it's like not taking up my whole screen? Okay. Ooh. Tacoma. I kind of like Tacomas. I was hoping a wedge thing popped up. That's funny. Yeah, Sean, oh, what just happened, guys? Oh my gosh, are you serious? Are you guys witnessing this catastrophe right now? Did that just auto close itself? Wow, okay. This just like quit responding. What the fuck? I'll tell you guys, my computer has been getting a little bit weird lately, just a little bit. So I don't know what's wrong with it or what's going on, but I know I need to actually clean that thing, or yeah, I need to clean it or take it to have a cleaning done. I'll clean it myself, but man, I always hate doing that. I'm scared I'm gonna hurt it all the time and all that stuff. I'm always scared I'm gonna hurt it. Sorry though, that internet page just quit responding. Just totally stopped. Yeah, there he goes. He posted it in discussion, so you guys can check out that correlation if you want. It's pretty cool. I like that. It's good to look at metrics like that. A lot of people don't do that. I think you could find some hidden plays, a lot of times, or maybe it'll give you confidence to buy at the very low or something, for example, or short it at highs, or it's just a really cool cool thing to look at. Sean's looking at, so check that out, guys, if you guys are interested. I think all you guys will like that one. But if you guys are enjoying it, please smash that like button so far. I'd appreciate it. We're at 10. Oh my god, the voice crack. Oh my gosh, guys, what kind of voice crack was that? Jesus Christ, that sounded terrible. But as I was saying, please like the stream if you're enjoying it. If you're not enjoying it, well then hey, comment that you hate it or something, At least give me a comment, right? That'd be funny. Oh, Sean DM'd me though. Yeah, that was funny, Sean, with the wedges. He said if you're looking to play any wedges, check these out. He's got the Cleveland Zipcore RTXs. Yeah, those are cool, Sean. Those are cool. I'll be honest, Sean, I am a stickler, and I am sticking with, well, at least my 60-degree wedge is going to be this TaylorMade 60-degree high toe. I'll be using this high toe on my 60-degree for the rest of my life, Sean. For the rest of my life. I don't think I'll ever change. Now, on my other irons, I'll check out that Cleveland for sure, for sure. I think I actually have a set of those Clevelands here, actually, which is funny. I think I have a set. I'll look after the stream. That's pretty... It's just similar. If it's not that one, it's similar. I know that we have the Cleveland launchers. We have all those. like the launcher UHXs and all those. We also have a lot of these around the house. A few Callaways. But yeah, I like the Cleveland. I love those launchers. Those are awesome. So I'll have to check out these. Like I said, I think I have a couple of those. Or my dad does, I should say. He's got so many damn golf clubs. I've been making quite the collection myself. Oh, I was trying to look that up. That's right. Cleveland RTX Zipcore. Is this like the new one, Sean? I've been thinking about going to get fitted. Going to get a fitting. Ooh, I like these dark ones. That's kind of cool. Wow, I like that. Sean, that looks slick. I mean, I like my good old chrome irons too. But one little worry is what's up with this thing up here at the top. I know that's for like weighting of some kind, I'm sure, but I wonder like what the technology behind that little ridge right there is. Good research or something. Let's see. Yeah, SPY though, 414.50, bouncing right off of it, getting some downwards moves. But Tessie, guys, check out Tesla up above 210. Let's fucking go, Tesla. Do not sleep on these breakouts, guys. Tesla broke 200 yesterday. It held today, kept breaking out again. Let's go. Don't sleep on the breakouts. Now, I will say, you know, it's getting hard to trade. We're getting a little overextended. But whenever you see the breaks initially happen, they can be pretty damn good. You know, even though the market fell down for a second there, it still came back. Now, Google, obviously, they've been having some issues. So, did you guys see the funny thing from last night's video with Google? Man, that was funny. I think I have I don't have the article open anymore. But Google, they actually made an AI platform like ChatGPT, like where you can ask it questions and all types of stuff like that. And instead of giving them facts, it gave them false information while they were showing it off. It was actually pretty messed up and funny. I was like, wow. I was like, I can't believe it. Yeah, that's a bad drop down though. Rejection off 100, drop down again. That bot was funny though, the way it gave something wrong. I'm like, come on. Number one, you guys didn't test it to make sure it would say it right. Number two, like, it's AI. You know, I understand. You know, you got to code AI, yada, yada, yada. So it's really as smart as whoever made it. But, you know, with how people think AI is, and whenever you hear AI and, oh, they can do all these things and all this, and then it can't even, like, give you the correct facts. It's like, I'm not sure I really want to trust these fucking things. You know, I don't know. Maybe that's just me, but let's get on ChatGPT, man. Let's go get on there. I want to log in. Let me log in. ChatGPT Plus. I'm not the Plus, but join the wait list. You can't even be a Plus member? There's a wait list for it? Are you kidding me? It doesn't even give me the option. What a dumbass thing. Oh, here it is. Here it is. I'm just not even sure it's worth it. I don't know. Is ChatGPT worth $20 a month? I don't know. I'll be honest. I used it a few times, but I have used it a few times. Fine, we'll do it. Company name. All right, we'll do StockedUp, I guess. Stocked Up University. University. There we go. How do you plan to use the ChatGPT API models? Everywhere. Uh, are there specific ideas you're excited to build? Discord. There we go. That'll be cool. Maybe we'll build a bot or something for it, you know? What if we built a bot where ChatGPT found out all of the cool stuff? What happened? Xbox says Tom's 15 again. Uh-oh. What happened? I'm 15. I wish I was. Fuck. Man, if I could go back to 15, I'd be so happy. Oh. Oh, man. But yeah, ChatGPT, I love ChatGPT. It's just sometimes the AI, I'm just like, I don't know. Yeah, that stuff was actually really funny, guys, with Google yesterday, where that bot flopped. Mike said yesterday, reminded him of whenever Tesla did the broken glass. Whenever Elon did the broken glass on the Tesla. I thought that was pretty funny. Whenever that happened to Elon, that was probably pretty rough. Pretty rough. Wow, Xbox says his phone wants to buffer like crazy now. Louis says maybe it's the first AI with a sense of humor. I hope so. I sure hope so. Hmm. I wish that I could get on ChatGPT right now. What happened? Yeah, come on. I thought it was gonna. I thought I was like on the waiting thing, waiting for it to go, wasn't I? Here we go. We're in. There we go. Perfect. Oh, that's what happened. I see. I see. I was like, I was like, man, I couldn't think of anything. I was like, what was he saying? Yeah, I was like, yeah, it was a while ago. Wow, okay. Yeah, that sucks. Sometimes it just buffers like that, and you gotta like keep tapping that live button to keep going forward. I've had it happen to me actually. Wow, Spy just kind of sitting there, 414.50 still. You think we'll break back out again today? I mean, I think that there's a chance given all the way that these stocks are starting to come back. Starting to see some good moves back. Tessie's still going probably. Yeah, look at that. 211 now, guys. 211. Tessie. Woo. That was an awesome break of 200 a couple days ago. Or yesterday, I should say. What was the glitch? Something about their new AI bot. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's what we were talking about in last night's video. We actually were able to find it on Twitter somewhere. Google's new bot fails. Yeah, here it is. Holy shit. This cost Google $100 billion? Oh my god. Holy shit. It was that bad? Wow. I guess that's just how much their overall value fell here. They fell, yeah. $100 billion in market value was lost. Wow. Yeah, that is insane. Yesterday we had a video of the bot actually getting it wrong, which was cool. Here it is, right here. This is it. This is the video we played on YouTube last night. Yeah, and then it says JWST took the very first pictures. Apparently that bottom thing was wrong. Got a bunch of crazy stuff on here. What's Project Veritas? Project Veritas. I forgot what that was. Was that the stuff? Didn't they do like inside like interviews with some of these people? And like record them saying crazy stuff or something? Wow, a bunch of tweets about Trump today, guys, and Musk. Let's see what's about Trump real quick, and then we'll go see Musk. Let's keep up with the news. Let's see like what's going on here today. America misses Trump. Okay. Oh, he had his own State of the Union. Oh, shit. I didn't know that. I actually saw it, but I thought I thought it was old.
Here's the real State of the Union.
It's the real one. He says it's the real one, guys. Should we watch it? How about we watch this, and then we'll go watch like some highlights from like well, Trump says this is the real one. We'll go watch the actual State of the Union after this. Yeah, we'll play it. Fine. Right? Fine, we'll play it.
Here's the real State of the Union. Over the past 2 years under Biden, millions and millions of illegal aliens from 160 different countries have stormed across our southern border. Drug cartels are now raking in billions of dollars from smuggling poison to kill our people and to kill our children. Savage killers, rapists, and violent criminals are being released from jail to continue their crime wave.
I'm not trying to trigger anyone, by the way. I'm kind of interested.
In the history of our country, Biden and the radical Democrats have wasted trillions of dollars and caused the worst inflation in half a century. Real wages are down 21 months in a row. Gas prices have soared and are now going up much higher than even before. and the typical American family is paying $2,200 in increased energy and food costs each year. Joe Biden's weaponized Justice Department, and I'm a victim of it, is persecuting his political opponents. His administration is waging war on free speech. They're trying to indoctrinate and mutilate our children. He's leading us to the brink of World War III, and on top of all of that, he's the most corrupt president in American history, and it's not even close. But the good news is we are going to reverse every single crisis, calamity, and disaster that Joe Biden has created. I am running for president to end the destruction of our country and to complete the unfinished business of making America great again. We will make our country better than ever before, and we will always put America first. Thank you.
Well, there was that one. I don't even want to read the comments. I'm not gonna lie. I don't even want to read the comments from you guys right now. I feel like that probably triggered half the audience. All right. Well, now let's go. I promised we'd watch Biden, so let's go watch Biden's State of the Union bloopers. What? No, come on. Yeah, here, key moments. Okay, we'll do that. It sounds. Green calls Biden a liar. What did the, what? What?
Because the soul of this nation is strong. Because the backbone of this nation is strong. Because the people of this nation are strong. The State of the Union is strong. Some of my Republican friends want to take the economy hostage. I get it, unless I agree to their economic plans. All of you at home should know what those plans are. Instead of making the wealthy pay their fair share, some Republicans want Medicare and Social Security to sunset. I'm not saying it's a majority. Let me give you, anybody who doubts it, contact my office. I'll give you a copy. I'll give you a copy of the proposal. That means Congress doesn't vote. Well, I'm glad to see you. And I tell you, I enjoy conversion. You know, it means if Congress doesn't keep the programs the way they are, they'd go away. Other Republicans say, I'm not saying it's a majority of you. I don't even think it's even a significant, but it's being proposed by individuals. I'm not politely not naming them, but it's being proposed by some of you. Look, folks, the idea is that we're not going to be moved into being threatened to default on the debt if we don't respond. When police officers or police departments violate the public trust, they must be held accountable. With the support of the families of victims, civil rights groups, and law enforcement, I signed an executive order for all federal officers, banning chokeholds, restricting no-knock warrants, and other key elements of the George Floyd Act. Let's commit ourselves to make the words of Tyler's mom true. Something good must come from this. Something good. And all of us, folks, it's difficult, but it's simple. All of us in this chamber, we need to rise to this moment. We can't turn away. Let's do what we know in our hearts that we need to do. Let's come together to finish the job on police reform. Do something. And 2 weeks ago, during the Lunar New Year celebrations, you heard the studio door close, and you saw a man standing there.
All right, this is the one thing we don't fuck with on this channel. We don't We don't talk about gun control. We're going to the next thing.
And a test for the ages, a test for America, a test for the world. Would we stand for the most basic of principles? Would we stand for sovereignty? Would we stand for the right of people to live free of tyranny? Would we stand for the defense of democracy? For such defense matters to us because it keeps peace and prevents open season on would-be aggressors and threatens our prosperity. 1 year later, we know the answer. Yes, we would, and we did. We did. I'm committed to work with China where we can advance American interests and benefit the world, but make no mistake about it. As we made clear last week, if China threatens our sovereignty, we will act to protect our country, and we did. Look, let's be clear. Winning the competition should unite all of us. We face serious challenges across the world. But in the past 2 years, democracies have become stronger, not weaker. Autocracies have grown weaker, not stronger. Name me a world leader who changed places with Xi Jinping. Name me one. Name me one. America's rallying the world to meet those challenges, from climate to global health, to food insecurity, to terrorism, to territorial aggression. Allies are stepping up, spending more, and doing more. Look, the bridges we're forming between partners in the Pacific and those in the Atlantic, and those who bet against America are learning how wrong they are. It's never, ever been a good bet to bet against America. Never.
Well, hey, I promised I'd play both of them. I didn't want to just be one-sided and play one and not the other, so figured I would, what's this? This is live right now?
To Mexico. We had a collaboration with China that we don't have today, and it hasn't resumed since the president's meeting with Xi. Can you talk about how we can...
All right, well, we're not into that. Let's get into the market, though, guys. Back to the stocks. All right, now I'll look at the comments, so let's see how, if you guys lit me up. I hope not. Hope not. Oh, thank God. The boos are hilarious, they say. First Prez candidate to ever give a State of the Union. I feel bad for all those guys named Brandon. Sean said Trump was hilarious, like an SNL skit. I didn't think he was being very funny, but I don't know. You know, there's always those tinfoil hatters out there who say that Trump's still the president, you know, and all that stuff, like the background or whatever. You know how there's all that type of shit. You know, there's something for everything, right? If you could think of the situation, someone thinks it's that way, you know. Pretty funny. How did we get two guys who could easily be on Saturday Night Live for our past two presidents? Yeah. I don't know. I thought Trump's was kind of more serious. Trump seemed a little serious. Biden, I feel like, has a voice where it just always sounds kind of funny, but I thought Trump sounded kind of angry. Look at Google, GOOGL. Oh, just broke down again. 95.50, broke that recent low at that wick. Not good. Not good there. Sheesh. What about SPY? Yeah, falling off? No. Google? Man, that's a bad move there. It's bringing everything else down, too. Besides Tesla. Tesla's probably going to be coming down soon. Yeah, it's holding for now, Xbox. I'm curious to see if it stays. I'm very curious to see if it stays or not. It's going to be huge there. Why'd this guy ask Cornish if he was gonna quit? I guess, Peter, were you asking if he was gonna quit work? That's funny. Good old Black Swan Investments. Black Swan Investors. Pretty funny name. Pretty funny name. Yeah, Tessie's still going, though, for now. Wow, Google, too, though. Apple's bouncing, Bill said. Yeah, it kind of is. Let's see it on the 1 minute. Yeah, it's getting some movement here. It still looks pretty bearish to me today, though. I don't know. Sometimes these plays, though, where they move, where they gap up like they did this morning, once they fill the gap back down, sometimes they start rocketing back. So it could be a good dip buy on this one, honestly. Excellent. I'm glad I got out of BBAI and pre-market. Bill says they should have got the old guy Muppets to do the State of the Union. Let's go look at that guy. Old man Muppet. Oh my gosh. These dudes are funny as fuck. The one looks high as fuck and the other one looks pissed. Like, this guy is like... what the hell? I kind of like that. Those guys look funny, man. Those guys look funny. That Bath and Beyond's moving, though. A little bit today. A little bit better than most stocks. Win. MGM's moving. TRWD. What about Pepsi? Yeah, Pepsi's trying to come back for us. That's good. Pepsi, that's a nice move today, Pepsi. Let's look at their daily chart. Okay. What are those big earnings tonight? Shit, my computer shut down on me and it closed everything. Hang on. Remember, I never shut my computer down, only when it does it while I'm sleeping. I woke up this morning, it was all reopened. All right, so tonight we're going to have PayPal, Lyft, Cloudflare, and ACB, it looks like. Lyft, Cloudflare, even Expedia. I know some people like trading that. I think that's EXPE. Yeah, EXPE, that's it. That actually, I'm not going to lie, guys. This Expedia chart to me, I kind of like it. I kind of like this. That's a big dip here. Wow. That could be a good little move coming up. Wow. I appreciate you guys, though. Seriously, thanks for joining up today. Really cool. Cool stuff there. Yeah, PayPal, Lyft. Let's see ACB and Lyft real quick, too. Lyft. Oh. There we go. Lyft. They're actually still down a lot. ACB. Oh, this one's scaring me, guys. ACB not looking good. Oh, no. What's up with that white earnings date? Why are the other ones red? Then there's a white one. And a green one? Oh, it must mean they just did even on them, I see. Nice, okay. Falling off on ACB's front. Go back to Lyft's daily chart real quick. Okay. Not too crazy. What else is there? PayPal, Cloudflare. Let's see PayPal. I think that's a big one. Or PYPL. Ooh. Moving right back down to the trend line, too. It's pretty good, actually, right there with PayPal. If we end up holding this, it could be a good play. But if earnings go south, we're going to be falling under this trend, which could be even more selling pressure coming in. So, I don't know. It's tough to trade this one. I would say bullish, though, you know, based on the setup. Just based on the setup and nothing else, I would say it looks bullish for earnings. Just the way the stock's kind of anticipating it. I don't know. It is falling off a little, though. Kind of strange. Kind of strange on that front. But hey, yeah, I appreciate you guys joining up today. Seriously. Had a pretty fun stream today. You know, we went over a few different things. Had a lot of stocks moving, like Unity, Tesla, these casino stocks like Wynn. Tesla, though, has been the big one today, in my opinion. That's still going. And look at today. It even had another nice extension back towards the upside. So, gotta love that there. So, we'll take it. Hey, I appreciate you guys, though. Have a great rest of your day. I will talk to you later. Thank you so much for joining up. Keisha, Bill, Xbox, Louie, Sean, Warren, Aman. Love it. Tell me about any entries. Sorry, Aman. I didn't see that at the time. My bad, buddy. I would have 100%. We were looking at Tesla all morning for a move above like 209. That was pretty good. I was looking for a move down with Google earlier too, under 100. That was big, and then we fell under 98. That was a good entry too. So I had a couple good entries there. Thank God. Sorry about that one though, Aman. Fiva, Jamie, Ubi, thanks for joining up too. Appreciate you. But hey, have a great rest of your day, guys. I'll talk to you later, and hey, let's kill it today. You know, let's kill it today. Let's kill it tomorrow. Let's end the week fucking strong. Let's go. All good, Keisha. Hey, have a good day at work. I hope that you know, keep killing it out there. Keep getting those Lexuses. You know, you gotta keep killing it, Keisha, for that new one. You know. No, I'm just kidding. Have a good day though, for real. Thanks for having me on in the background. At least that helps too. Actually, it really does. So, thank you guys. Have a great day, and let's keep getting this good price action. You know, there's been a lot of opportunities to both the upside in Tesla's case and to the downside in Google's case today.